Shooting your first wedding. From Susan Taylor Photography. Video 8. Capturing the day. Are you ready? When you're the official wedding photographer, your job is very different to being a guest with a camera. When you're a guest at a wedding, your pictures will only be a very personal selection of a limited part of the day. When you're the official photographer, as well as the highlights of the wedding day, you are capturing the behind-the-scenes moments. You're also trying to record the important details that the bride and groom have spent months choosing. The next few videos will cover ideas and examples of capturing different features of the wedding day. Each one will show you a selection of images to give you ideas for your own choices. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to ring the bell for notifications. Or if you find the video helpful, you could even buy me a coffee. Just use the links below.